Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to set dark mode in your Windows 11. So for that just click right on your mouse and then click on personalize. Then go to personalization settings, and here you can click on colors, and then in colors you can choose your mode. So you can see for my laptop currently it is selected or light. So if you want to set it dark, then you can select dark here. And now it is dark mode for my Windows 11. And also there is one more option you can choose. It is custom. So here for Windows you can select the mode separately, like it will be light mode or dark mode. And for your apps, you can select a light mode or dark mode. So that's it. I hope it was helpful for you. So thank you for watching.